I will lay the foundation so you can build your masterpiece. So it's day 6 of our fasting journey, getting into the best shape of our lives, burning some fat and trying to build some muscle along the way. You'll be glad to know there's no food video today. I ate at my sister's, had a delicious curry. Wasn't the healthiest option, but it was delicious. I'm gonna head to the gym. We're gonna use the foam roller and a spike ball just to work into our muscles, just to get the blood flowing, get rid of some knots, get rid of some tightness in our muscles. And that's very important. I think you'll get some value from that, guys. If you're struggling with a pain in your back or your shoulders, I'd recommend getting a foam roller and a spike ball because they can be a game changer. They can make your training so much easier. Also, they can improve your flexibility and your movement. Because it's coming to the end of the week, this session is a bit of a cool down. Tomorrow we'll review our body, we'll have a look at our body, see where we've improved, see where we're lacking, and we might just adjust our training for next week. So I'll see you on tomorrow's video where we'll discuss our body, review everything. I'll give you some advice for your fasting, your training ideas, some food ideas, a few ideas just to make your fasting a lot more enjoyable and so you can get some more gains and some more benefits from this fasting period. See you in the gym. Now this is a spike ball. Now if you're someone who works at a desk or just trains hard in the gym and you find those muscles between your shoulder blades get knotted up and you find them difficult to get to, this is one way you can do it. Now you can't beat a sports massager and you should be getting them done on a regular basis, but it can be a bit of an inconvenience. You have to take time out of your day, you have to book an appointment. But this £7 investment is an absolute game changer. By rolling this ball on your back, it will go deep into the muscles and help break those knots down. The great thing is you can actually use it on any part of your body. Here I'm using it on my back between my shoulder blades. I use it on the front on my chest. I use it the front on my shoulders. I use it on the side part of my shoulders. I use it wherever I feel tight and my muscles are knotted up. So make sure you dedicate 1 day a week to your rehabilitation to improve your mobility, your flexibility and your body health. Next, we'll start using the foam roller. This is great for targeting all parts of your body. It's very simple. You sit on it or you put it under the muscle you want to massage and you move forwards and backwards. It's as simple as that. First, I'm going to start off with my glutes. Then I go on to working my lower back. After hitting my lower back, I go on to my lats, which is absolutely great if you're suffering with pain in your shoulders. Sometimes it comes from tightness in your lats and your back, so you can hit that here. Straight after that, I go on to my quads and roll my left and right quads. After that, I jump straight onto my calves. I make sure I hit my calves all the way through. I roll onto my calves, I do my Achilles tendon, and I also do my hamstring tendons. After that, I jump straight onto my hamstrings. One thing I learned working as a prosthetist and an orthotist over the last 10 years, if you have pain in a particular area and you treat that area, it doesn't mean the pain will go away. The body is interconnected. For example, if you're suffering with lower back pain, you treat that area, the pain's not going away. You need to be treating areas around it. For example, your glutes. They could be pulling on your lower back, causing you to have lower back pain. When you treat the body, you've got to treat the whole body. If you do that, you will stay pain-free, injury-free, and you'll move a lot better and freer. The first exercise we're going to start off with is the external rotation. There's so many advantages to this exercise, it's unbelievable. Number 1, it'll increase the stability in your shoulders. Number 2, it'll help you lift a lot better. Number 3, it can reduce pain in your shoulders. Number 4, it improves your posture. Number 5, it can make your shoulders look better. Now, taking 10 minutes out of your day to do this exercise will improve your posture, your mobility, your lifting. Why wouldn't you do it? On top of that, it can make your shoulders look so much better. You can do this exercise every day and it won't cause you no harm. But try doing this at least 3 times a week. The next exercise we're going to do is the pull-ups, but we're doing pull-ups with the resistance band. Now if I was doing weighted pull-ups and I wanted to do less reps, there'll be no need for a resistance band. But because I'm going for higher reps, I've introduced a resistance band to ensure I can get those numbers in. Anyone who's struggling to do pull-ups or wants to work towards weighted pull-ups, you need to invest in a set of resistance bands. I did it myself where I was struggling to do weighted pull-ups. I was struggling to do a number of pull-ups. By adding resistance bands, I was able to increase my numbers and work towards weighted pull-ups. Pull-ups work your back, your bicep, your core, your shoulders. That's why you need to be adding pull-ups into your routine. I'm a lot stronger in dips, so I only use the resistance band on the first set. Now dips are great because you hit your triceps, your shoulders and your chest. It absolutely changes the shape of your physique. Another exercise you need to be adding to your routine. Now you know how much I hate the back loaded squats, but the front loaded squats I absolutely love. I find the movements a lot easier, you can go a lot deeper, I find the biomechanics are a lot better, and the weight being at the front I just feel a lot more balanced. But doing it with this plate can be a little bit difficult, so as the weeks go on we're going to work towards front loaded dumbbell squats. The Hindu push-up. Now if you want to talk about one exercise that will transform your body, this is the one. The Hindu push-up works everything. Your legs, your hamstrings, your glute, your core, your chest, your tricep, your bicep. It works every part of your body. This movement puts you in a great position. You're stretching throughout the movement. You're contracting your muscles. You're working your muscles. That's why this is one of my favorite exercises out there. If you do 100 of these every day for the next 30 days, it will transform your body. Trust me on this one. This is a phenomenal exercise for giving you a stretch and also working your muscles. So that's it for today. It was a little bit of a shorter routine. I hope you guys got value. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know how your fasting's going. Let me know how your training's going. If you have any questions about life, training, anything, I'm here to help you to make sure you succeed and progress in life. See you on the next one.